Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandur. What is our chapter, ma? What is our chapter? We are discussing the ninth class physics. What is that? Third chapter, law of motions. Law of motion means rules of motion, ma. Okay, motion is nothing but just a movement. Okay, movement. We are in this chapter. We are learn about the rules of movement. Any body is moved from one point to another point, how many rules, how many condition will be applied on the body. In this chapter we are learn about that. Okay, laws of motion, rules of movement. Okay, ma, in that we have to learn about this topic. We have to discuss this topic in this chapter. Okay, one by one we are discussing the topics. Today we are discussing the definition of force and types of force. Okay, today we are discussing definition of force and types of force. Can you see this picture, ma? Here is one person is pull the object and another person is pulling the object. Means what is the definition of push force? Up to till that classes we are learn about the any push or pull is a any push or pull is a force is called force. Means is it right, ma'am? Is it right? Any push or pull it is called force? No, it is a wrong definition. Just pushing, pulling is the effect of force. Okay, pushing and pulling is the effect of force. It is not a definition of force. Can you understand my points? Push or pull, it is the effect of force. Okay, it is not a definition of force. ओके मैं देर इज ए नो क्लियर डेफिनेशन ऑफ फोर्स. ओके, फोर्स का कोई क्लियर डेफिनेशन नहीं है माँ. इट इज़ द पुशिंग पुलिंग लिफ्टिंग stretching, twisting and pressing are the effects of force. Okay, are the effects of force. When we force is seen to our eyes, the force is not seen to our eyes. The effects of force are seen to our eyes. Okay, these effects are shown to our eyes. The force is not shown to our eyes. Okay, that's why it is the effect of force. Here the weightlifter here is a weightlifter is there and lifting a weight. Okay, here weightlifter is lifting a weight because lifting is a effect. It is a effect of force. Okay, here there is a here up when the person is applying the force on the lifter, there will be lifted. Okay, means that we for lifting is a effect of force. Okay, ma, similarly football hitting the ball, when we hit the ball what will happen, the ball will be moving, the ball will be in motion state. Okay, motion state means the hitting is a here hitting is a effect of force. It is a hitting is a effect of force. Here pressing a button, when we press the button what will happen, it is pressed, means the pressing is a it is a effect of force. The pushing, pulling, lifting, stretching, twisting and pressing are the effect of force. Pushing, pulling are not a definition of force. It is the effects of force. Okay, ma? Can you understand? Can you clear up to that? Okay, come to the next point. Force is an external agent or cause. Force is an external agent or cause capable of changing the state of rest or motion of the particular body and apply on it. Okay, force क्या है, it is an external agent. It is causing anybody's stop is anybody's the force in external agent ma, means that if the force is when we force is apply on the object, the force is can change the state of motion or state of rest. Okay, what is that? I'm taking the example of this pen. Okay, the pen is in rest position or not. This pen is rest position. I am saying to the pen, please move. I'm saying to this pen to move. My dear pen, please move. My dear pen, please move. It is possible to move. No, it is a rest position. What we have to do? We have to apply the some force. Some force means the pen will be moved. Means unless when we not apply the force, the object cannot change its position. Means if the force is an external agent or cause of capable changing the state of rest. When the body is in rest position, it is capable of changing the mode, changing the state. Means it is a when we here is a pen in rest, when we apply the force, it will be moved. Means it changing the state from rest to motion. Okay, another example is in start moves. It is an example of rest to motion. Okay, and another example is that for motion to rest. And example is that it is a fast moving car. Okay, the one car is fast moving. A driver is said to car, please my dear car stop it, my dear car stop it. Can the car stop itself without touching, without pressing the brakes? If the driver said to car, please stop it, please stop it, it is not possible. When we press the brakes, then only the car will be stopped. Means that what we have to do, when we pressing the brakes, which it is an external agent. Okay, external agent is nothing but it is a force. Okay, it is a force. When we apply the force on the brake, when we apply the force on the brake, then only the car will be stop. Means that the car is in moving state. When we apply the force, it will be in rest state, it will be come in the rest state. Means that the force is an external agent. Force is external agent or cause capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body on apply on it. कोई भी बॉडी पे अगर हम लोग फोर्स अप्लाई करें तो है ना, द रेस्ट है वाला रेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, मोशन में चला जाता है, और मोशन ऑब्जेक्ट को हम रेस्ट में ला सकते हैं. ओके, बाय अप्लाइंग द फोर्स ऑन इट. ओके, when we apply external agent, force is an external agent or cost. Okay ma'am, here is example, weightlifter lifting the weight and stretching a rubber band and pressing a button, hitting the ball. It is a, for this action what we have to require, we have to require the force. Okay, for these actions what we have to do, we have to require some external agent. That external agent is nothing but force. Okay ma'am, here lifting is a effect of force, yes, stretching is a effect of force, pressing is a effect of force, and hitting is a effect of force. Okay ma'am, can you understand up to that? Okay, force can be measured in Newton. Okay ma'am, what is meant by measured? Measured means मापना. Okay, किसे मापते हैं हम? न्यूटन्स में. Okay, फोर्स किस में मेजर्ड करते हैं? इन न्यूटन. एज अ लिक्विड मेजर इन लीटर्स, एज लिक्विड्स मेजर इन लीटर्स. हाँ, लीटर्स. while and distance can be measured in meters. Okay, weight can be measured in kilograms means kg. Similarly, like that only force can be measured in newtons. Okay, liquid can be measured in liters, and meter distance can be measured in meters, and weight can be measured in kg. Similarly, the force can be measured in newton. Means the 10 newton forces apply on the body, we can say the 10 newtons of apply on the body. Okay, we can say. Okay, the 10 only, not 10 newtons. Okay, newton force can be measured in a newton. Okay ma, force is a vector quantity, means it is a depend on magnitude as well as direction. Force is a vector quantity, it depends on magnitude and direction. What is meant by magnitude? Magnitude is when we measure the force, what we have, we are taking the numbers, and we are taking the some quality we are taking the newtons. Okay, newton means it is a magnitude, and it is a direction. Means when we force apply towards the right side, when we apply the force toward the right side, the force become positive. Here is the pen, I am forcing the force is applied towards the right side, means the force will be positive. Here I am applying the force towards the right side, means it is a positive direction. It is a positive direction. The force also be positive. Okay, ma'am. This is the pen. I want to change the position from here side, so that we are applying the force from here. When we apply the force from towards the left side, the force will be negative. Okay. Can you see the ma? When the force is applied towards the left side, means the left side means it is a positive, not 30 newtons. Okay, 30 newtons is applied towards the right side. When we apply the left side, okay, when we apply the left side force, we apply the left side, the value is in negative. The value is negative. Here positive is the number. When we apply the force on towards the left side, it become a positive number. We are taking the whatever amount of force is applied towards the right side, we are taking that as a positive. Whatever amount of force can be applied towards the left side, we are taking as a negative. Okay. What is net force? Net force is means overall force. Okay, overall force of the body. Total force of the body is called net force. The total force act on the body is called net force. Okay, here plus 30 is there, minus 30 is there. 30 minus 28 is plus 30 is there, minus 28 is there. 30 minus 28, what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. Here is positive, here is negative. Plus into minus is minus. 30 minus 28 means 2, means net Newton. Overall force of this body is 2 newtons. Okay, ma'am. Can you understand the direction of force? When we apply the force towards the right side, it becomes positive. When we apply the force towards the negative side, it is a negative. Towards the left side, it become, the value will be negative. Okay. Here is the example, ma. When the forces act in the same direction, the force can be added together. Here is that the force can be applied to the, these two forces is there, ma. These two forces are applied towards the right side. Okay, towards the right side. What is meant by right side? Means it is the force will be negative or positive. It is a positive. Okay, ma. Positive. What we have to do? This one also positive, this one also positive. Okay, because it is moved towards the, it is applied towards the right side. What we have to do? We have to add it. Plus is there, plus is there, plus the plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 10 newtons. Can you understand that? Two forces apply the same direction towards the right side. Okay, means two values are in positive. That's why we are adding the 10 newton. Okay, two values is positive. When we add these two positive, when what we get 10 newtons more. Okay, up to that clear? Here is a one more example. What is that? 5 newtons of force is applied towards the left side, and 10 newtons of force is applied towards the left side. Means it is a positive or negative. It is a positive and it is a negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract it. Means minus 10 minus 10. 10 minus 5 means what we have? We get the 5 newtons. Okay, ma'am. The force is applied to each other, means opposite direction, but different values. Here 5 newtons in the left direction and right direction, 10 newtons from left direction. When we add these two number, negative and positive, what we get? 5 newtons. The force may never cancel each other. Okay, these forces are not cancel each other because the values is different. Come to this one, my second example. What is that? The 5 newtons force is applied towards the right side, and the 5 newtons of force is applied towards the left side. Means 5. It is a plus 5 and it is a minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. What will happen? The answer is 0. Means this is the example of direction of force. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete in your notes whatever I shown you the home example. Just you have to draw and submit in the group. Okay, ma. Complete your notes till that. Okay, thank you.